Everyone keeps talking about the next Pro iPhone, but I honestly think Apple's most interesting phone could end up being something completely different. The iPhone Air 2 is starting to sound like the upgrade the first Air should have been from day one. And if these latest leaks are accurate, Apple may have quietly fixed almost every complaint people had with the original. The first iPhone Air definitely grabbed attention with its unbelievably thin design. It looked futuristic, felt incredibly premium, and proved Apple could make an ultra-slim phone without sacrificing too much. But despite all that, it never became the success Apple was expecting. In fact, several reports claimed Apple had even paused development of the second-generation model after the first Air failed to meet sales expectations. According to those reports, suppliers and internal teams were told the project had been put on hold with no confirmed timeline for its return. Thankfully, that wasn't the whole story. Later reports revealed Apple never actually abandoned the iPhone Air 2. Instead, the company kept working on it behind the scenes, refining the design and upgrading the hardware. And now, it looks like those extra months of development could really pay off. One of the biggest complaints about the original Air was the camera setup. It only had a single rear camera, which felt pretty limiting considering the price. That's reportedly changing this time. According to Bloomberg and The Information, Apple is planning to add a second rear camera to the iPhone Air 2. But instead of a telephoto lens, it'll likely be an ultra-wide camera. That means you'll be able to fit a lot more into every shot, whether it's landscapes, group photos, architecture, or those dramatic perspective shots that ultra-wide cameras are perfect for. It also makes the Air feel much closer to Apple's regular iPhone lineup without giving up its signature ultra-thin design. Performance is also getting a serious upgrade. The iPhone Air 2 is rumored to be powered by Apple's brand new A20 Pro chip, replacing the A19 Pro found in the current model. But the really exciting part isn't just the new name. The A20 Pro is expected to be Apple's first iPhone processor, built on an advanced 2nm manufacturing process. That smaller manufacturing process should bring some major advantages. We're talking faster performance, better gaming, quicker AI features, improved multitasking, and all while using less power. So instead of simply making the phone more powerful, Apple could also make it significantly more efficient. There's another upgrade happening inside the chip as well. Reports suggest Apple will introduce a new wafer-level multi-chip module packaging technology with the A20 Pro. It's not the most exciting name in the world, but the benefits definitely are. It allows the processor and memory to work together more efficiently, improving speed while reducing power consumption. In real life, that simply means a smoother, faster iPhone that also squeezes more life out of every battery charge. Speaking of battery life, this could be another area where the Air 2 takes a noticeable step forward. Supply chain leaks suggest Apple is increasing the battery capacity from 3,149 mAh in the original Air to around 3,500 mAh in the new model. That's an increase of over 10%, and when you combine that with the efficiency gains of the A20 Pro chip, daily battery life could improve quite a bit compared to the first generation. And Apple may not be stopping there. Another premium feature rumored for the iPhone Air 2 is a vapor chamber cooling system. Apple first introduced this technology in the iPhone 17 Pro, where it helped keep temperatures under control during heavy gaming, video editing, and other demanding tasks. Better cooling doesn't just keep the phone comfortable to hold. It also allows the processor to maintain its maximum performance for much longer instead of slowing itself down once temperatures rise. So whether you're gaming, editing videos, or using AI-powered features, the phone should stay faster for longer. When you put everything together, the iPhone Air 2 is looking far more impressive than its predecessor. A dual camera setup, Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip, the first 2nm processor in an iPhone, a noticeably larger battery, vapor chamber cooling, and that incredibly thin design could make this one of Apple's biggest surprise upgrades. If Apple gets the pricing right and delivers on these leaks, the iPhone Air 2 might not just be the thinnest iPhone ever, it could end up being the one that completely changes how people look at the entire iPhone lineup. Let me know in the comments, would you pick the ultra-thin iPhone Air 2 over a regular Pro model, or would you still stick with the Pro? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, because we've got plenty more Apple leaks and tech news coming your way.